on, Kevin?
I'm gonna get the wood chips.
You're gonna get the what?
Wood chips.
The wood chips.
We're gonna let you pick the flavor.
Me?
Yes.
Oh shit. Okay.
There's cherry,
The what flavors?
hickory,
Go ahead,
pecan.
go. Go ahead, go. I gotta be behind you. I'm
Oh,
filming.
it's quite a walk. You're gonna use the whole.
Oh, okay.
With a medium back roll.
Oh, guys, they're looking for wood chips. Watch your feet. He's barbecuing. He's serious about his barbecuing moments. All right? Father and son. Look at him. Kevin Sr. and Kevin Jr. out hunting for wood chips. Guys, we got a surprise for you. Oh, really? How beautiful. Oh my God, $15. I would get one too.
Basically, hickory, pecan, and apple. Is the one.
Hickory.
Which one?
Hickory.
Hickory.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
That way. Go that way.
I want to show you.
Oh. Okay. All right. It's excited. Hey, you excited about barbecuing?
Yeah. This
Okay.
is the other ones that they have.
Yeah. What are the other flavors?
Cherry, apple, and mesquite.
No, we do the hickory.
Agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
Sorry. That's okay. All right, let's go.
Go ahead. I'm following you.
And I'm following Kevin.
You following Kevin?
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. Check these out. Replace it with a six.
Oh, he gave the money to little Kevin. Let's see, guys. You already know he's autistic, and his mom. He's always lived with his mom. He's 25, and this is the first time. Oh, guys, I got cut off. That he's been with his dad, living with his dad. Okay, so this is all new to me, all new to his dad. Okay. We're learning him, he's learning us. Okay.
Wait till she scans it, and then you do it again. What are these? Give her the money.
Hello, thank you. You need a bag?
No.
No? It's $4.75. Thank you. Your change is $5.25, and this is your receipt. Thank
Say
you very
thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear.
All right, you did good. You did good.
He's looking for another drink.
Dollar Tree. Well, what we getting in Dollar Tree? He staying?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're just going to get
Go ahead.
the sticks, right? You don't need anything? Do you need anything in here?
Maybe some chocolate.
From here?
Yeah, they got chocolate in the Dollar Tree, duh. They don't have to be Godiva all the
I'll get
time.
it, Publix.
What you get?
No, that's too much. Watch.
That one's good.
No, I don't.
Go ahead.
Oh, wait.
No, go ahead.
You can afford.
What you looking for?
The sticks. The metal ones.
The metal sticks? See if you can find them, guys, for the shish kebabs. We don't want to use the wood ones. We want to get the metal ones. I don't think they have them here. Last time I saw them was in Publix. The metal ones. Like last year. No. You want to ask the lady in the front?
No, you could see. It would be here. It wouldn't be
Yeah,
here.
it would.
All right, well, we gotta get the wooden ones.
Let me see. So let's find the wood ones then. I don't see you. Where you going? Okay. We're in Publix. We are in.
Now mess with me, and this is what I'll buy you. Take you on a sample trip.
Yeah, my rod was 400. Get out my face.
So what? That's $43.
My custom rod was 400. Shut up.
$43 on sale.
We ain't
Just
looking
like-
for that because I already got that. You're looking for bread for the sliders.
It's good to look.
Okay.
Hey,
Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
we're gonna have us some tuna milk tacos.
Get my Godiva chocolate. Oh, this is my. I love it here.
Milk tacos.
Tuna milk tacos.
Yep.
Okay. What are you in here for? Looking for?
The cheese.
Oh.
We're making the sliders.
Oh, because I see you looking over here. What kind of cheese you buying?
American, and then what do you want? Swiss or
Munster. Monster cheese. Monster.
Half a pound of white American, a half a pound of Genoa salami, and a quarter pound of Munster. Munster cheese.
In the produce section.
Is
Yeah, I got it. You get the green pepper. We have red.
Yeah, green pepper and
Oh, look at the avocados.
pick one. See if they're
Oh.
good. Sure?
Yep. Get the
Sure?
get the stuff.
Yeah.
Publix is really expensive. We have onion. We have an onion. You bought this yesterday. Yes, it's whole. You didn't use it. Did you cut it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. My memory is bad. I don't see the green peppers. Oh, I see them. Get the pepper, Kevin. Come back to it. A nice Publix.
Got a red one instead.
Okay.
I know you like it. Wow.
You wanna get one of these? There's a green one in it. $6.
No.
Or you get something like that? Because we can use these.
Yeah, no. Just pick one.
Pick what?
Pick up here.
Okay. So
A
the weight
nice
is-
one. A nice one.
Guys, when you're looking for peppers like this, put them in your hand, okay? Because remember, you pay for the weight, okay? This one is big and it's light. That means that the seeds in the core is not too heavy. See the weight?
Yeah.
I just learned you something.
You just taught me something.
I just learned you something.
Excuse me?
Excuse. You ready?
Yeah, that's it. Why is it so expensive? They must have knew you were coming.
Huh?
They must have knew you were coming.
They always know. Do you need anything else? The bread. The slider breads.
Yeah, that's over here.
Okay.
Not me. What did you find?
Hey.
The
You can
metal.
find the wood ones, but we got 4. And
These are jumbos.
yes.
You're gonna make nice shit.
Or you can create your own pizza. Look, you can get the dough like your sister does. She buys the dough. These are
No,
nice.
that's not them. That's the dinner rolls.
Dinner rolls? Okay.
These are brioche.
So just ask. Ooh, lemon flavored bread. Wow. That's cool. They got lemon flavored bread. Look how nice. Wow. All this I stay away from. None of this is for me. None of this. Okay.
How many are there?
I don't know. You packed up. I took 2 bags out. That should be enough.
8. Oh, that's on it.
No. No, it's not. You want to look at the regular aisle bread? Look at the name brand breads? Okay, so get another one.
Okay. And a soda. That's it. And let's get out of here.
Those are not the same. Those are the same?
No.
You only had one.
No, these are good.
Okay.
All right, just
That's it.
grab
We're done.
The soda.
Soda?
Yeah. I need a soda.
Where's the soda? Over here. Soda aisle. Right here. Oh, all the way down.
It used to be up here.
Yeah? Keep going.
There's not much.
Yeah,
of a
see, these are the,
variety for
what I was telling him. If we can't get the ones they bake here, you can get these. I don't see them either. I see hamburger
Yeah,
bread.
that's what I'm talking about. See, they got Pepperidge Farms.
How many are
Whoa.
those? How many? Slider sweet Hawaiian. They have soft white. Let me see. No, that's it. That's all they have. How much are the ones you got? I just get those, Kevin. Just get
All
those.
right, grab me a soda.
I can't. Coke Zero.
You ready?
It's going to storm. Look at this. Ooh-wee. Wow. We just left Publix.
Man.
Yes. Tell them what you're doing, Kevin.
And wood chips. Hickory flavor.
Okay. Yes, guys, we're doing this because we worked on the 4th of July, right? And we worked on the 5th. So, this is our 4th of July. Okay.
Just come here and smell.
Yeah, smell it. Okay.
A little bit more, and then we're good. And then we'll start this party.
With the corn. The corn is going on first because it takes the longest. All right, we'll be back. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at those marks though. Oh, yes. Nice. Hey, what we doing? What you doing?
Making
Assembling?
shrimp kebabs.
Shrimp kebabs. Jesus Christ. Go. I'm eating.
That it's gonna make it tart. Please.
What's gonna make it tart?
The seeds.
All right. The shrimp like this.
Hold on. Let me get. Wait 1 second.
Okay.
Wow, it is a big.
Make it as big as many as you can fit on it.
You got something, the platter, to put it on? What are we putting it on?
Just finish that one first.
It's gonna finish.
And this is the bread for the sliders. Those are the sliders. That's it. Couple of seconds, 2-3 seconds. This is our 4th of July, guys. Just reminding you. taking off the corn. Kobe's son. Chilling. Okay. Want to take off the top? Take off the top. Put it on the side. Just lean it like this, big.
Hold on, turn them. The stick is...
No, you don't have to turn them. Look, it's big. I'm going to show you. Big.
Yo, Charlie and Sonny. Where's Sonny? Sonny!
Okay, you can put that shit on.
I gotta see what's Sonny.
I think Sonny's in the living room with Pat. All right, guys. What are you gonna put on first? The sliders?
The sliders. Sonny's not in there. Sonny!
Go ahead, go look for him. Cause
Sonny!
he's stupid. Stupid dog.
Sonny! Come on. Let's go. Get over. Oh, yeah. It's hot.
You can cover it if you want. Oh, we're doing 4th of July on Sunday, okay? Period. Period. Garlic, onion powder, beef bouillon, and Worcestershire sauce. Okay? That's the seasoning to the sliders. Period. Missing one.
Which one?
This one. We didn't turn that one. The cheese with the coming with the cheese. Oh my God, stop it. What's going on here? All right, the sliders are off. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we're putting on the slider buns. All right, we got from Publix earlier. You saw the clip. Stop messing around. You saw the clip. We're celebrating our 4th of July on Sunday, guys, because on the 4th of July, if you saw the video, we were working. We were hustling off a semi truck, right?
Yeah.
A 2-day job on the 4th and the 5th morning, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, recording, Kevin. Get them shrimps. Get them shrimps, baby. Ooh, we're ready for the shrimps. Ooh, yes, this fire is hot. Cause I wanna make it. Million dollar baby. Right there. Million dollar baby. Mm-hmm. These are jumbo shrimps from Sam's. We got onions, purple onions. We have, look how pretty. Ooh-wee. Turn them.
It's too hot. It goes. You just want to burn. I don't think they're ready yet. They smell great.
Yeah, I turn these. Well, we are almost eating, guys. Okay, guys, we are done.
Oh, they look nice. Come look at them over here. Oh, look. Like you
Give me this.
yeah.
Just give me. Just give me. Put it right on top. All right. All right.
Anything else we need? We're good? We're good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, guys, it's been a hot day. Mm. 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 Like I was telling you before, guys, we didn't celebrate the 4th of July. Huh? Mm. We worked. So we decided to do our 4th of July today on Sunday. All right, surf and turf. We have shrimp kebabs. Okay, we have sliders, right? Prime rib sliders with Munster cheese. Mm. Mm.
What is it? Good?
Oh yes.
Taste the quality, right?
Yeah. It tastes good.
Big hit on the boat.
I'm hungry too. It's good.
No? Look, you can slide it off. See? Mm.
Mm. Mm.
Mm. Corn isn't as sweet.
Yeah.
From last time. That was sweet.
Mm. Did we buy it in the same place?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
One more.
Walmart? Mm. Try this out.
You don't eat that part. How is it good?
Yeah.
You might want to give him another hamburger.
Hmm?
You might want to eat another hamburger.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wow, the hickory taste on this. It's really good.
Yeah, wood chips good.
Next time we'll get apple.
Mm-hmm. There's apple, pecan, or cherry.
Apple. Let's try apple. Wow.
And whoever cooked this did a good job. Well,
Kevin made all this, but you guys saw, so
I didn't see shit.
you guys want to see the videos before this, Kevin? Duh.
What?
What are you
This is so
talking?
good. The shrimp is so good.
What?
Mustard.
So good.
You want another one or no?
Yeah, I want another one.
It's good. The shrimps are not overcooked. Perfect.
Perfect time.
Because I could have left them a little longer, but then they all chewy. They snap in your mouth.
Yeah.
Look on the corn.
Wow. You can really taste the hickory. Wow. And I could have put butter on it, but I didn't want to. Butter's right there.
And don't get used to this.
What?
My place is not in the kitchen.
But it wasn't in the kitchen.
Yes, I will. This morning.
What is your place?
The eater.
The what?
It was a little tough. Did you think so?
No. Mm-mm.
Oh, I wonder what half was.
Tastes good.
I bought some the other day.
Tastes like hickory. Mm. But then again, I got good teeth. So, I don't know. Mm. It wasn't as sweet as it should be.
That's why what it was, because it wasn't sweet.
No, they're not sweet. Hmm.
Garbage has to go too. And the fellow's pretty cool.
You finished with this? I know the corn. Yeah, the corn stays in your teeth.
You know, seriously.
What?
Those are good.
Yeah.
Show them how long they are.
Oh yeah.
These are extra long.
We got these from the Dollar General, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Look how long they are. Wow. And room for more, hey. And room for more, hey. And room for more.
No more bread. You had 3 sliders.
You had 3, baby.
Yeah.
And he drank all his juice. Was that a new juice? A new one?
Yeah, and a sandwich
Open this up.
at 4 o'clock.
You gotta be careful with what we feed him. Oh boy. Beautiful. Cheers. Oh my God. Whoa. Anyway, guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching my last video. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Kudos. Kevin, you did a great job. Thank you. We appreciate you. Okay. And we'll see you next time. Say bye.
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 Bye.